Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and the Sidekicks for another video. Super excited. It is a Stitch Fix day. So I guess it is my Mother's Day Stitch Fix unboxing since today is Mother's Day, right? So hopefully it's a good one. Wyatt's here. He's appropriately excited. Not, right? He's such a goofball. All right, assume your video filming pose, right? Yes, you're a good boy. Sana's here too. She's searching for treats. I've not put treats in this room yet, and she's not happy about it. Sorry, Z. All right, Stitch Fix. Here's my box. This one is not destroyed. It came in really good shape, actually. So, Stitch Fix. I think you guys know the particulars, but if you're new, styling service. $20 styling fee comes off of anything that you keep. You get 5 items, keep what you love, return what you don't. You get a stylist, fill out a profile, and hopefully you get items that you love. When you get your box, right inside the box, it does tell you what to do next in case you're not sure. So, here's the inside of my box. You do get an envelope that has notes from your stylist and your pricing sheet, and you do get a postage paid envelope to return anything that you don't love and don't want to keep. Free shipping both ways. All right, so I've got 2 bundles in here. Let's check these out. Here they both are. Top one looks like maybe a bag, which is odd because I never get accessories. I usually ask for just clothing. So let's check it out. It is a bag. Check this out. Straw for summer. All right, so it looks like it's from Soul Society. Here I see. Wyatt thinks it's for him. Look at him checking this out. So it looks like it is a backpack style. Bag. It is straw. Look at the inside. It has a little animal print inside there. It does have the drawstring here. Front. Has lots of, well, not lots of compartments. Has 2 compartments, one on either side. There's one there, and there's a zipper compartment over here on this side that looks fairly big. I don't know, what do you guys think of that? It's not very big, especially for something that has the, what is this called, I'm wondering. So now I need to see what it's called. Let's see what the name of it is. It's the April Straw Backpack. So I feel like you would want it to be a little bit bigger for a backpack, but maybe I could be wrong. What do you guys think? I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if it's my style. I'm taking the cardboard off here, we'll see. All right, I don't know. I'll try it on for you guys. I'm not feeling that one, I don't think. All right, let's get into the clothes. Wyatt's trying to find it. Okay, first up, clothes, is a pair of lightweight jeans by, it says Gen 7, which is a 7 for All Mankind brand, it says. Have you guys heard of this? Because I haven't. So these are in a very light mint green color. They do have some stretch, and it says, Gen 7 by 7 for All Mankind. Every jean offers a consistent, figure-flattering silhouette for the woman with timeless style. So, The color is pretty. I'm intrigued. I didn't know Seven for All Mankind had different brands, so can't wait to try those. Next up is a kimono, I think. Yes, this is a kimono by Banded Gypsies. And looks like navies and light blue and maybe tan. It does have pockets. Check that out. Usually don't see pockets in kimonos. So, and it has actual sleeves with a little bit of ruching here on the side. What do you guys think of that? All right, next is a cami by White Britain in light blues and pinks and tans. Has that little crossover here. That's kind of cute. Does have adjustable straps, which I will need. This looks a little big, but it could just look that way. This is an extra small. All right, and last item, something navy. I bet you to go under the kimono, the navy tee. Little pocket tee, nice and stretchy. Just a cute little basic tee. All right, that's everything. So let's see what my stylist has to say. I have a new stylist. Okay, so it says, "Hi Laura, happy fix day. Your regular stylist Jessica wasn't available today, but I looked over your fixes and I'm sending you some pieces I think you'll love today. Starting with the mint cropped skinnies from Gen 7, perfect for spring. Isn't this sateen fabric wonderful? Pair them with the Emery Park tee and layer the Banded Gypsies kimono. Slip into a pair of cool slides and take along the Soul Society straw backpack for a stylish outfit, front to back. I also picked out a 9 Britain cami." That was Wyatt, sorry. "I also picked out a 9 Britain cami with adjustable straps so you can get just the right fit. Layer a cardigan or blazer for spring. Please rate the style, fit, and quality of each item and leave me a quick note when you check out. Cheers, Anna." Okay, so that's probably why I got this backpack, because I don't normally I ask for no accessories. I like all clothes. All right, so that makes a little bit more sense. You do get a little card here that shows you ideas of how to wear your items, if you guys have ever seen those. If you get Stitch Fix, you're quite familiar with them. And all right, we'll go over pricing at the end. I haven't looked at that yet, but let's get straight to the try on. I will be right back. Okay, so for the first outfit, I think I'm going to get like 4 of the items right out of the way, right off the bat. So I have on the Gen 7 jeans. I have on this navy t-shirt, which I'm actually really liking, and I'm so not a t-shirt girl, but it has this nice V. It's a silky material. I think you could wear it almost dressy. If it didn't have this little pocket here, a booby pocket, I think you could almost wear it dressy because it's so silky. And then I'm going to put the kimono on and we'll try the straw bag. We'll see what it looks like. Okay. All right. So here's the t-shirt, which I love the length of it. I think it has a nice cut, a nice fit, a little bit longer in the back, comes up on the side here. Cute t-shirt, right? Nice basic t-shirt. Maybe sometimes it's hard to come by. So I like it. And then these very light minty jeans, which are ankle, and they do come pretty much right to my ankle. So that's good. I like that because I always have a problem with length. They are probably a tiny bit loose, but I think that's okay because I wouldn't want them to be too tight considering what a light color they are. Because if they're too tight, then I think that would be an issue. So you can see that I do have some room to them. I probably could size down, but I think then they would be, I have something on me here, fuzz. Then I think they would probably be too tight. So this gives them a little bit of room. So what do you guys think? And then she suggested putting this kimono over top of it by Banded Gypsies. which this is a very long kimono. It does have these pockets. And it does have, if you guys can see this, I'll show you, it does come out kind of quite a bit, so it has like a drapey effect to it, which is cute. As long as it doesn't continuously fly open when you walk, maybe it wouldn't be too bad. And then I'm not going to take the plastic off of the handles of this bag because it feels kind of young to me. Like this, for some reason, this bag really feels like a little girl bag to me. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what it's feeling like to me. So let me close this and see if I can put it on for you so you can see what it looks like. It's like so not my style. Oh, I probably need to close it some more. Sorry. It doesn't hang open. Oh, this is so not my style. That was funny. All right. So what do you guys think? It would be convenient, like for carrying, but for getting to your stuff, I think I prefer a crossbody bag. All right, here's the outfit. Here's the bag. This, you could also do something like this, right? Could you do like one-sided? You could do that, right? But then it's gonna fall off. I don't know, guys. I've never really carried a bag, like a backpack style bag before, so. All right, let's try on the last cami top. And I'll be right back. Okay, so the last item is this very pretty floral cami in the light blues. It does have the adjustable straps, which I had to bring it up pretty far here to get it to kind of fit me, but I think I might still have some fit issues. So I put it on with a pair of Dear John jeans that I had on to kick off this video, and it is lined, and I do feel that it is a adorable cami. I kind of like this little crossover. However, on me, I have some major gaping going on here under the arms, so I don't feel like it's hanging nicely on me. So I had to pull it up pretty far in order to get it to fit here at the top, and then I feel like I have this extra room right here that it's doing something a little bit odd. So, but it looks nice with the green. I put on with a pair of pale pink Toms because it has some very pretty pink in it. It also has like the camels in it, so it would look really nice with a camel jacket. You could even probably pull more towards the lilac. I have a pair of lilac sandals too that I think this would look very nice with, and a lilac jacket. So I feel like you could go that direction too. So I almost want to keep it for the colors and then just wear a jacket over top of it. But I do think that the fit is off. So you guys tell me what you think. How does it look? And can you tell the fit is off? All right, let's talk pricing. I will be right back. Okay, so time for pricing. All right, so there's a $20 styling fee, but I choose to do the Style Pass, which you pay the one-time $49 fee, and then you don't pay the styling fee for the rest of the year. And that $49 does come off of anything that you keep in your next fix. So I have no styling fee. If I were to keep everything in the box, it would be $267.95. You get a 25% discount for keeping everything, which would bring it down to $200.96 for everything. Okay, so let's talk individual prices. First up is the Soul Society handbag, the April Straw backpack. So that was $54.95, and I don't love this for $54.95. It's just so not my style. So this is a no for me. Next up is the 9 Britain Halima cami blouse. And I actually liked this. I really liked it with the green jeans, but the fit is off. This is $40. And this is an extra small, so I can't really change sizes or anything. I think the jacket options on this are several for me that I already own, but I'm thinking this isn't going to work. So this is probably a no as well, unfortunately. And the pricing isn't bad, $40. But if I don't keep all, then it probably doesn't really matter. So next up is the Gen 7 Sateen ankle skinny in mint. So interestingly enough, this is a size 4. So she did send me a size up, which that's okay. And these are $99. So I'm not sure that I loved these enough for $99. What do you guys think? Then there was the Emery Park Faya One Pocket V-neck navy tee. That's this. And I did actually really like this t-shirt. It was a nice basic tee. Nice and silky. I like the length of it. And I did actually really like it. And then there was the Banded Gypsies Ariana ruched sleeve kimono in navy, and this was $42. Not a bad price point. I'm not sure I love this either. What did you guys think? So the more I think about these, the more I'm thinking maybe I would like these sized down because they had a lot of wrinkling. Like there was a lot of extra room in the legs. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Since I'm not getting the discount anyway, and I don't have to keep anything, I'm not sure what to do. So I need your help. Let me know what you think. Was there anything that you loved? Is there something that really stood out that I should keep? Tell me what your favorites were, and please comment down below. I will list all of these items down below in case you want to ask for any of them from your stylist. I will put my link to Stitch Fix down below as well. If you use my link, I believe you get a $25 credit and I do as well. So it's a win-win. Yeah, I'm not sure. Like, I feel like everything was cute. I'm just not sure if the fits were good and everything was worth keeping, since it's not a 5 for 5, especially because of the straw bag. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Yep. All right. So I would love it if you would hit the like button and show me some support. I would also love it if you would hit that subscribe button and hang out with us for a while. Zena's getting rowdy here because she wants treats, and I have none in this room. So, yikes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. We so very much appreciate it. Until next time, everyone, have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.